The redox reaction of potassium iodide and hydrogen peroxide, also known as elephant toothpaste or foam volcano, is a basic chemistry experiment that is popular because of how striking it is to the eye. Since in this we obtain a foam dense that is drawn or it at expense. And even if you add color to it, you can make it much more striking. But how this works, this class of reactions are called redox reactions, in which an exchange of electrons between the reaction components takes place, and sometimes this produces a drastic and visible change when the reductant reacts to the oxidant. For this experiment we need liquid soap, hydrogen peroxide, dye, and potassium iodide. The main ingredient of the paste is hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly used to apply to wounds to disinfect them. Since the bonds that hold the hydrogen and oxygen together are quite weak. If we pour in the peroxide and leave it alone for hours, it will end up being just water. But if we use a catalyst like potassium iodide, we speed up that reaction, producing it instantly. If we want to make the reaction more voluminous, we add soap. This time, at the moment the oxygen is released, the soap captures it, creating bubbles and foam. And if we want the reaction to shoot up in the air, we must place it in an Erlenmeyer flask. Since here we focus on the expansion of the foam. As an interesting fact, elephant toothpaste, although it looks funny, is not, because due to the chemicals used, it reacts to very high temperatures, which cause skin burns if you touch it. And this is how we make elephant toothpaste, which beyond to being useful, is something fun that you can do one day if you want to explore the fun side of chemistry.